Oh no, this again. Hi gorgeous, this is the Body Shop Advent Calendar. The price of it is £55 and the overall value is £77. So let's see if it is worth the money. It smells amazing by the way. We have a pop-up design, super gorgeous. Day number 1. It smells grapefruity. Okay, so I'm gonna say the hand cream in grapefruit. I was so close. This one is the strawberry hand cream with English strawberry extract. We have 30 milliliters. This is the full size. I love the strawberry scented products by the Body Shop. It smells like summer. Moving on to day number 2. This one sounds like a shower gel. Found it! This one is a mini. We have 60 milliliters. I think the full size is 250 milliliters. We also had this one in the medium advent calendar by the Body Shop. And day number 3. Ooh. Oh, this is lightweight. I'm gonna say a lip balm. Nope. And we have here the pink grapefruit bath bubble. This one is great for a self-care day and we always get them in advent calendars. Let's continue with day number 4. I think this one is a shower lily. Oh no, this again. I'm right, this one is a bath lily and this one is not plastic. It is made out of rami, a natural plant-based fiber. They also had this one in the medium Body Shop advent calendar and I have already tried it. This one is not practical. It absorbs all of the product, the shower gel, and then it's not easy to wash yourself. It is very soft but it's not easy to use. Let's go to day number 5. Oh, I think this one is a body butter. Oh, I'm right. And this one is the body butter in mango for dry skin and it is vegan. I think all of the products are vegan by the way. And I'm not the biggest fan of mangoes and the mango scent. I also don't like them in food and salads, but this one doesn't smell so bad. This one is a mini. We have 50 milliliters. Then we continue with day number 6. Oh, I'm gonna say a shower cream now. Nope. This one is the Truly Nourishing shampoo for normal to dry hair in banana. I don't like this scent so much. However, my husband is using exactly this product and it doesn't smell so bad. I just don't like it on my hair. I have already tried it on me. It is actually nourishing for damaged hair like mine, bleached hair. And day number 7. I think this is a bath bomb again. Nope. This one is the Born Lippy in watermelon. It is a lip balm. This is a very nice formula. It is very nourishing on the lips. I want to sniff it. It smells so good. So good. Door number 8 now. Okay, I'm gonna say a shower cream. I was very close. And this one is the pink grapefruit shower gel. It is a mini. It is a very intense grapefruity scent. I'm always sniffing it and it is always very strong for me. Door number 9. I think it is something liquid. I'm gonna say a makeup remover. Yeah, it's not liquid. This is a calming and protecting hand cream in almond milk and honey for sensitive and dry hands. And I always have near my desk a hand cream. Guess which one it is? And this is an empty actually. So it's great that I have a new one now. I love this one. Body Shop has a lot of series of products. This one in particular is great for sensitive skin. And day number 10. Yeah, it is definitely a shower cream. Oh, I found it! This is the coconut shower cream. We have a mini. I think most of the products are minis today. This series is also great for sensitive skin, the coconut series. Come on, let's open it. Yeah, this is the good stuff. I love this scent. 11. Door number 11 here. I'm gonna say the banana conditioner because we always have them in the advent calendars. Oh, I was wrong. This is the skin clearing facial wash in tea tree and this one contains purifying tea tree oil. This one is suitable for blemished skin. I don't know if I can use it because I don't have a lot of blemishes. I actually have texture and super dry skin. Sniffing test. It smells so good. All of these products are great for aromatherapy. Then we have door number 12. Oh, it's lightweight. I think it is a sheet mask. Found it. This one is a vitamin C glow sheet mask. It is enriched with vitamin C rich camu. We have this product a lot in the advent calendars by the Body Shop. This product is biodegradable and suitable for all skin types. I have already tried this product and it is great for dry and sensitive skin. Door number 13. It smells like a bath bomb. I'm right. This one is a coconut bath bubble. This one smells amazing. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite product by the Body Shop. Door number 14 is bigger. It sounds like a soap. I'm right. This one is a coconut soap with cold pressed virgin coconut oil from Samoa, Polynesia. The scent is not so strong because of the packaging. I have tried their soaps, they don't really work for me. I prefer the shower creams and the shower gels. Door number 15. Oh, I'm gonna say again the banana conditioner, a mini banana conditioner. I was wrong. This is a shower gel in strawberry. It smells so good. I think I have never tried this scent in the shower gel. And door number 16. So most probably we have a shower cream or shower gel. Oh my god, it's the conditioner. This is a banana truly nourishing conditioner for normal to dry hair. I have tried this one with the shampoo. I don't like the scent, but if you like the banana scent, this is not so bad. So I'm gonna keep this one for my husband's stash. He really likes this one. Door number 17 next. A bath bubble again. Yes. This is a Moringa bath bubble. It has a stronger scent. I can't say it's my favorite, but it's not so bad. Door number 18. This is very lightweight. I hope it's not a filler product like hair ties. It is hair pins. So we have 2 hair slides. One says spread love and one share joy. We also had last year some other hairpins. I can't say that I was wearing them a lot. They are very tight, so I'm not gonna use them on my hair. And this is how they look. Every year they are designing some products for Christmas and they have mini gift sets. I would prefer one of those products instead of hairpins. Moving on to day number 19. I'm gonna say a body butter again. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. This is the British Rose Exfoliating Gel Body Scrub. And we also had it in the Body Shop Advent Calendar, the medium size. I brought mine that I have already opened. It has a stronger scent of roses, so if you don't like it, I don't recommend it. Door number 20. I think this is a lip balm or a lip scrub. Oh, it's a hand cream. This is a pink grapefruit hand cream with pink grapefruit seed oil. So it is a little bit smooshed, but it's fine. You can take the product out. Here we have door number 21. This is a shower cream, shower gel. Found it! This one is the almond milk and honey shower cream for sensitive and dry skin. This is actually my most favorite shower cream by the Body Shop. I'm using now the full size of this one and I have almost used all of it, so I'm happy that I have it, even though it is a mini. Door 22. Oh, this is definitely a sheet mask. This is the Vitamin E Quench Sheet Mask. It is suitable for all skin types and it can make your skin hydrated, softer and smoother. Then we have door number 23. Yeah, I think this is a shower gel. Yes. This is the Mango Shower Gel. We have 60 milliliters. We also had this in the other Body Shop Advent Calendar, the medium. Let's continue with door 24. It sounds like a body butter. It is. This is the Shea Body Butter for very dry skin. That's true. This is gonna work definitely if you have very dry skin. I also have an empty of this product. You can see it is very used. I should probably throw this away. And you can see that they have changed the packaging. Now you can reuse these, you can make candles. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 3 stars. We have a lot of mini products. You can watch next the other Body Shop advent calendar and I will see you in the next one.